This is Wrecked. Episode MH370, Alone. 11 years lost in the deep ocean.
On March 8, 2014, a routine international flight prepared for departure, unaware it would soon become aviation's greatest mystery.
Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370 was scheduled to fly from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, carrying 239 souls into the night sky. Inside the cabin, everything appeared normal. No one sensed that this flight would never reach its destination.
In the cockpit, experienced pilots performed routine checks, following procedures refined through thousands of safe flights.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. I think we're in row 12.
Shortly after midnight, MH370 began taxiing, lining up for takeoff under the dark Malaysian sky.
As the aircraft climbed, city lights disappeared beneath the clouds, marking the last moments of certainty.
Flight 890, position report at 40 minutes, flight level 350, next waypoint estimate 1045 Zulu, confirm.
Cleared as filed.
The message was calm and ordinary. There was no sign of trouble, no hint of what was about to happen.
Moments later, MH370 vanished from civilian radar without a distress call or warning.
Initial assumptions suggested the aircraft had gone down in the South China Sea.
Negative. Delta 42, maintain current altitude and expedite turn right, heading 300.
Warning light is active. I need confirmation on the diversion route now.
Search and rescue teams were deployed immediately, scanning vast stretches of ocean for any sign of debris.
But the sea revealed nothing. No wreckage, no oil slick, no answers.
Then came a shocking revelation from military radar data.
The aircraft crossed back over Malaysia, flying silently without any communication.
MH370 had turned sharply west, deviating dramatically from its planned route.
Investigators then turned to satellite data for clues hidden beyond radar coverage.
Why the plane changed course remains one of the most disturbing unanswered questions.
Automated satellite handshakes revealed that MH370 continued flying for several hours.
The data pointed toward a final flight path deep into the remote southern Indian Ocean. This region is among the most isolated and unforgiving places on Earth.
Investigators believe the aircraft eventually ran out of fuel and descended into the ocean.
What followed was the largest and most expensive search operation in aviation history.
Aircraft and ships from multiple countries joined the desperate hunt for MH370. Advanced sonar technology was used to scan the ocean floor thousands of meters below.
The seabed terrain proved complex, mountainous, and extremely difficult to search.
Powerful currents and extreme depths worked against every search effort.
After years of searching, the main wreckage still remained hidden.
In 2015, a critical breakthrough finally occurred, thousands of kilometers away.
A wing component known as a flaperon was found on Réunion Island.
The accelerant residue is strongest on this fragment.
Agreed. I'll run the GCMS on this sample first thing.
More fragments later appeared along African coastlines, carried by ocean currents. But the most crucial evidence, the flight recorders, were never recovered.
I just can't believe he's gone.
We have to stay strong. Look at that smile.
While theories have multiplied, definitive proof remains elusive.
What about the new evidence from the southern sector?
We are analyzing that data closely.
Despite advanced equipment, the mission ended without locating the wreckage. MH370 slowly became one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in modern aviation.
The disappearance changed how the world viewed aircraft tracking and safety.
In 2018, a new underwater search was launched using cutting-edge technology.
New technologies were introduced to prevent such vanishings in the future.
More than a decade later, hope was reignited with a renewed search effort.
Advanced autonomous vehicles now scan the seabed with unprecedented accuracy. The new mission focuses on a smaller, more precisely defined search area.
Authorities confirm that the main wreckage has not yet been officially located.
Sensational headlines occasionally claim the mystery is solved, but facts say otherwise.
MH370 remains a haunting reminder of how the sea can swallow even the largest machines.
Look how beautiful they are!
It's glowing perfectly now.
We should do this more often.
Until the wreckage is found, the final moments of Flight MH370 will remain unknown. And so, the search continues, driven by science, hope, and the need for answers.
The Indian Ocean covers nearly 20% of Earth's surface, making any search within it a monumental challenge.
In some areas, the seabed plunges more than 6 kilometers deep, beyond the reach of conventional recovery methods.
Even with modern sonar, objects can remain hidden among rugged underwater mountains and trenches. Powerful and unpredictable ocean currents further complicate drift calculations for debris.
The sigma boundary tightens right here. That matches the acoustic data. This has to be the location.
As time passed, hopes faded, but the determination to uncover the truth never disappeared.
Each satellite handshake became a critical clue, narrowing the possible final moments of the flight.
For families, every unanswered question deepened the pain of uncertainty.
Memorials around the world honored those lost, even as the mystery endured.
The final actions inside the cockpit remain unknown, leaving only informed speculation.
Experts stress that without the black boxes, the full story of MH370 could not be confirmed.
The moment the aircraft vanished from radar marked a turning point in aviation history. Serial numbers linked the wreckage unmistakably back to Flight MH370. Every recovered piece was carefully studied for clues about the crash sequence. Still, the main fuselage remained lost, somewhere beneath the waves. Private exploration companies later joined the effort, bringing new hope. Robotic explorers were sent deep into the abyss to scan the seabed. Each scan mapped the ocean floor in unprecedented detail.
Right there, track correlation is high.
Adjusting filters. Structure is consistent with fuselage.
Each setback forced investigators to refine their assumptions.
Many promising signals turned out to be natural formations. But nature offered no guarantees. Only vast silence.
The search area gradually became smaller, guided by improved analysis.
That projection is unrealistic given the market volatility.
We must be aggressive. The data supports expansion.
If you look at this report, the metrics suggest we pivot.
Investigators analyzed every possible technical failure scenario.
Human factors were also examined as part of a comprehensive investigation.
Today, aircraft tracking systems are more advanced than ever before.
As you can see on the main display, these new protocols have reduced critical errors by 15% across the board.
Continuous tracking is now considered essential, inspired by MH370's disappearance.
Renewed searches continue to focus on the most promising locations. Technology continues to push deeper and farther than ever before.
Each dive carries the possibility of discovery or disappointment.
Operators wait in silence as data streams in from the deep.
Time moves on, but the mystery remains frozen in March 2014. For now, the ocean keeps its secret.
MH370 stands alone as a case without precedent.
Thousands of pages of analysis still cannot replace physical evidence.
Each new day brings renewed hope that answers may yet surface.
The mission continues, driven by science and responsibility.
Every line on the screen is examined with extreme care.
Keep the lights low.
I think I found something down the embankment.
Ropes are secure. Moving now.
Nature remains unpredictable, often halting progress without warning.